Hi everyone, John Hayden here from General Civilian. Today I'm going to take you through a quick demo of how I use the RS-1. So first, you're going to want to make sure that you thoroughly wash your hands. Next, you're going to sterilize or disinfect your RS-1 unit. Check out our user manual for options, but they include a rubbing alcohol solution, or if you have disinfecting wipes, wipe it down, let it dry, and you're ready for the next step. Notice that you have this separate white retainer. And of course, you have the RS-1, which contains an aperture or opening. You are going to take your 2.5-inch pre-cut fabric or filter squares. In the case of a non-medical grade civilian tightly woven fabric like these, you'll have 2 layers. Take the white retainer, place it on top of the 2 fabric squares. You have your RS-1 unit in front of you on the table. You're going to press the retainer and fabric squares into the aperture, pressing it firmly into place, like so. You've now combined the fabric square and the mask. Next, take the bottom half of the single strap system, place it over your head and around your neck. Then grab the slide lock. You can grab the rest of the strap and you're going to place it around your head, like so. Of course, you've got the comfortable foam gasket. And maybe you want to wear sunglasses because they don't fog up. Grab your hat, if you wear a hat, and you're ready to go. A nice thought to leave you with: the RS-1 is made in Canada. This is local manufacturing, local production, local company. Thank you for your support, and we'll talk soon.